Hey, it's Michael Griswold from Sprout Financial. If you want a business loan with fast approval, I'm going to tell you about 3 different programs that can get you the money that you want uh, under a week. Some of them, one of them, you could even get as quick as the same day. You know, um, the reason that I started helping businesses get money is because when I had my first business, I made $750,000 in the first year. And it was very frustrating because I wanted to get some money to expand. I had this big vision of how, I made this much money, I can do so much more. Of course, I had spent a lot of that money, which is why I was looking for a loan. But even though my financials were good, I didn't have business credit. And because I didn't have business credit, the bank wouldn't lend me any money, even though I had just made a ton of money. So when I found out about programs that help businesses to make money, without needing all that paperwork, I was so excited about it. And I'm going to tell you about 3 programs that you can qualify for and get money within a week for your business. So the first is called an MCA, Merchant Cash Advance. This is the easiest and the fastest loan program to qualify for. If you've been in business for at least 3 months and you do at least $10,000 in credit card receipts per month, and you have a FICO score over 500, then you can get a loan from a merchant cash advance for 100 up to 200% of your monthly revenue. So here's what this means. Let's say that you have a mechanic shop and you do $50,000 per month in revenue through your credit card, Visa, MasterCard. That means if you have been in business for at least 3 months and your FICO score is above 500, you could get a $50,000 up to a $100,000 loan using an MCA. And the way that it works is you pay the loan back through small payments out of your credit card receipt, so you don't even see it. Now, this is the fastest way. It's the easiest way to get a loan, and it's also the fastest. We typically tell our clients that it'll take 2 to 3 days. I've seen them come back in as quickly as the same day, meaning you fill out the paperwork, fill out the application in the morning, by the evening, you got the wire hitting your bank, you've got the money in your bank account. And that, as I said, the payments come out typically through your credit card processing, so a small percentage of your sales moving forward. And then once you pay that off, then you can qualify for an even better loan where you can grow even more. So that's the first program. It's called a Merchant Cash Advance. Easiest one to qualify for, fastest way to get money, and a real good option for people. The second option is called a line of credit. Now, if you've got a FICO score, you have to have a little bit better credit for this. If you've got a FICO score of 650 or above, then you can get a line of credit, and the rate's going to be better. But you can still get this within 48 hours approval. And you need to have made, to qualify for this, you need to have made $25,000 each month for the last 4 months. And if you have that and a FICO score of 650, then you can get a line of credit for your business, and those fund within 48 hours. The terms are going to be better, the rate's going to be better, and you're going to have a longer amount of time to pay it back. And for people with better credit, this is a great option because you still get the fast approval, you get the money into your account, and you get a better rate. And the third program that's available to get money quickly is something called invoice factoring. Now, if you're the kind of business that does business to business or business to government, and then once you've rendered your services, you send them an invoice, and they just haven't paid it. Maybe it's a net 90, net 30, whatever. It's going to take them a while to pay. You can get a loan based on those invoices. So let's say that you've already rendered services and you've got accounts receivable for $500,000. You can get, the way it works is you get paid 80% of that 500,000, which would be 400,000. And did I do the math right? Yeah. So 400,000, you get 400,000 immediately, minus the fee that the loan company charges. And then the customer becomes theirs. So they collect the other 20%. And once they collect the other 20%, you get paid the other 20% as well, minus the fee. Now, the reason that these programs exist is because companies that lend money only make money when their money is being put to work. Banks are the worst place to try to get a loan from unless you've got impeccable credit, you are nominated for senator, and you didn't miss a day in school, and everything you've done is absolutely right. If you got all that, then you can get a loan from a bank, but otherwise it's really challenging. Even if you've got great financials, even if you've got great personal credit, if you don't have business credit established, then a lot of times it can be very frustrating and waste a lot of time. So that's why other lending institutions like ours have come up with ways to lend money that don't require all that rigmarole, that don't require all the time, that don't require all the paperwork, and that have more lenient requirements, because what we know is that if you know how to make money, then it's very likely that you're going to pay back the loan that we make to you. And that protects our interests, and it allows you to build your business. So if we help you to grow your business, then that helps us as well. Now, those are 3 programs. Those are just 3 programs. They're 3 of the quickest. The first is the Merchant Cash Advance, absolutely the fastest and easiest to qualify for. Next is the line of credit, very quick as well. And then the invoice factoring. Those are about the same amount of time to get paid on. And they all just depend on what your needs are and what type of business that you run. Obviously, if you run a business that uses mostly credit card receipts, then invoice factoring isn't going to be the right option for you. But listen, if you're looking for money for your business and you're looking for it now and you want to get some questions answered and you want to get the money in your account, underneath this video, I posted a link to a Facebook group that I've created that's only for business owners who are looking for money. Myself and one of my colleagues, Michael French, are in that group, and it's a small group of people business owners who are looking for money, who want to get their questions answered and get funded. If you have if you need a loan to expand your business, to invest in marketing, to buy inventory, or maybe to pay off some debt, or whatever it is that's on your mind that would make things run smoothly, if you just had a cash infusion, then click on the link to request to join the group. Because we are vigilant about keeping the group only to business owners who are looking for money, there are some questions to answer. Once you do, then we can work with you one-on-one directly. What questions do you have? What is your situation? What do we need to account for so that we can make a loan work for you? And doing that, we can get you a business loan with fast approval so that you can use the money for whatever it is that you're looking for. So click on the link, fill out the questions, and when you get into the group, then ask whatever questions you have, and let's get you funded immediately so that you can continue to grow your business. And look, let's say you get a loan right now, a Merchant Cash Advance for $50,000, and it helps you to grow to that next level. Then next, you can get a line of credit with better rates, with longer terms, so that you've got the ability to use other people's money to grow your business, so that you don't feel cash strapped and you don't wonder how you're going to make it work. If you're making money in your business, there's absolutely no reason for you to be just scraping by. So click on the link, join the group, and let's get you funded today so that you can start growing your business. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.